When Winter Storm Fern arrived in January, she brought 8 inches of snow and ice to my area. My backyard birds were not deterred, though, flying into the peanut feeder even as sleet rained down. This is a dark-eyed junco, who is literally nicknamed the snowbird. He's looking for peanut bits left behind by larger birds. A European starling also searches for scraps. What is down there? This fine fellow needs no introduction. What is down there? After a refill, a tufted titmouse arrives to get first to pick up the peanuts. I think this is a different titmouse. I love the squeaky gate call. I think this blue jay is trying to tell the other blue jays that peanuts are back on the menu. Here we have a white-throated sparrow, another winter resident. White-throated sparrows come in 2 morphs, white and tan, referring to the color of the stripes on their heads. This specimen is a white morph, with black and white contrasting stripes. Blue jays are abundant and competitive. The wind is brutal. The peanuts are going fast. Look who's late to the party. The crows will have to dig out their peanuts. Incoming blue jay. Now watch these 2 goofballs. Hey, you dropped something. I think this is a family of American crows. Most birds are grabbing peanuts and flying off to eat them elsewhere, but at least a couple of crows prefer to dine in. What is down there? The blue jays are getting impatient. A blue jay finally gets a chance at a peanut. Hey! Poor cardinal. This blue jay flies in with a peanut already in his beak, and then just flies off with it again. The feeder is almost empty again. It's still sleeting, but tensions are heating up between the blue jays. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. For more backyard birds, please consider subscribing. As always, everyone, thank you for birdwatching.